All right, hello once again. This is Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College, and as part of the Rankin Technical College AWD 1000 Web Development Technologies course, I've been creating a series of videos based upon the Mozilla Developer Network's Learning Web Development series. I am currently on the third part, which is on CSS, and I'm in the third module of the third part, which is on styling text. In fact, I'm in the first module of that part, styling text. And we've been talking about the stuff that's in here, and let's get into letter spacing and word spacing, okay? As it says, both of these allow you to set the spacing both between letters and between words. It says you won't use these very often, but you might want to for a certain look or feel. So here we've got the first line of our paragraph. So if this works, that should look like this. And again, as mentioned, that's typically that kind of thing is going to be done for effect. So this line right here should change. And you can see, I guess it's the first line of each paragraph because that line changed as well. So that line changed, as did that line. And that's what they showed here as well. Some other stuff worth looking at. I'll let you take a quick look at this. I will tell you, as far as what I've used on here, not very much. These are all font variants, as it says. Most of them are. All right, as far as the layout styles, again, I've used the overflow wrap, specifies whether or not the browser may break lines within words to prevent overflow. That's probably in text overflow. Word break to specify whether or not there are line breaks within words. Other than that, not too much. Font shorthand, again, all they're saying is rather than setting each one of these things individually, you can set them all at once. So what is this doing? A font style, a font variant, a font weight, a font stretch, a font size, etc. So you can add all of those. Now, were we to go in and add this, let's say we put it in the body, it should really change everything then. Let's just see, just for the heck of it. And I'm going to remove this one virtually right away, but we'll stick it under the HTML. And I'll comment out this earlier one that we put in. Well, that really changed everything. Made virtually everything that was in here a lot bigger than it was before. All right. So let's undo that one and redo the other one. Okay, and that should have us getting back to the way it looked previously. There you go. In this active learning session, we don't have any specific exercise. We just want you to have some play with it. Well, I don't think there's a big, we've already gone through this. All right. It says you will find an assessment to verify this retained knowledge, and that's going to be at the end of this entire thing. So we have finished this particular one. There we go. And so we've done the fundamental text and font styling. Next, we'll go into styling lists, then links, then web fonts, then do the assessment. So far we've just done the first couple, and we'll jump into number 3 of 6 in just a couple minutes.